In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the currency on Amazon Mobile. Many people find it difficult to change the currency setting on the Amazon app, but it's actually quite simple once you know how. To get started, open up the Amazon Mobile app, and then make sure you are signed into your account. After that, tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings. Tap Country and Language. Now you'll see an option called Currency. Just tap on it. Now you have the ability to change the currency to anything you want. Just scroll down this list, tap, and select the currency you like. For example, I am going to select the British pound. All you have to do next is tap the Done button to save changes. This is exactly how you can change the currency on the Amazon mobile app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.